1 year ago, we set out on a journey together.
There's no other children's hospital with more potential. If you were to look back over the past 10 years, none of us would have imagined where we are today.
And what a difference even 1 year makes. We are actively and expertly navigating a global pandemic. We were the first in Columbus to stand up in-house COVID-19 testing. As one team, we've come together to protect our children and families. We acknowledged racism as a public health crisis. We will continue always to stand for diversity, inclusion, and health equity for those impacted by racism. We do this guided by our one team value to do the right thing for all children and families we have the privilege to serve. Executing on our strategic vision, our unprecedented commitment to transform children's mental health came to light with the grand opening of our Big Lots Behavioral Health Pavilion. It's a beacon of hope for 1 in 5 children living with mental illness, and we're working every day to change the statistics and break stigmas. We made tremendous progress with additional West Campus expansions, including our innovative new energy plant and conference and data center that will open later this year. We also broke ground on our 4th research building. Well beyond our main campus, we formed an innovative partnership with Mercy Health Children's Hospital, expanding our expert care to pediatric patients in Northwest Ohio and Michigan. We accelerated our commitment to improve quality of life for all children and families who count on us, with the expansion of Healthy Neighborhoods, Healthy Families into the Linden area. Nationwide Children's is integral to a collaboration that brings together local leaders devoting resources to community outreach, affordable housing, and healthcare. We advanced novel gene therapies for rare genetic diseases with the creation of Andelyn, Central Ohio's first commercial-scale good manufacturing practice facility devoted to gene therapies. And finally, we celebrate the success of 2 visionary retiring leaders, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Rich Brilli and Chief Nursing Officer Linda Stoverock. After national searches, we welcomed their successors, Dr. Rustin Morse and LeeAnn Wallace, along with our new Chief Financial Officer Luke Brown and Chief Surgical Officer Oluyinka Olutoye. Together, they will help lead our next steps on the journey to best outcomes. This year, you welcomed me with open arms. Through every opportunity and challenge, you've inspired me and encouraged me. I couldn't be more proud to stand alongside you as one team as we continue to progress on our journey to best outcomes. Thank you for this incredible first year.